Hello friends, are you looking for Happy Creations store reviews? If yes, then watch this video as today I will share Happy Creations store reviews. Friends, let me tell you that this is not our website. So if you have never ordered anything from this website, then this video will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I will share the way to get your money back. So let's get started. Happy Creation Store is gaining the attention of individuals in the United States and United Kingdom. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that the products available are prints for t-shirt at just $1. Now let's talk about other information related to payments. So no information is disclosed on the home page, but during checkout you will find that the only mode of payment is PayPal. And the estimated shipping time is not disclosed, while the shipping cost is $5. Before going further, friends, I request you to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon because this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points which will help us in deciding the authenticity of the website. So guys, Happy Creation have SSL certification and is protected through HTTPS protocol. Therefore, the information you send or get through is safe and secure, which is a good sign. And talking about the registration date of the domain name, so it was created on 11th August 2019. Now let's take a look at About Us section. So we could find the About Us section in the home page, but this About Us section is not clickable. So we can see that it is just a picture and not a link. So we could not find any information about the company. Now let's check the way to contact them. So here on the official page an email ID is accessible, that is alexisnmaNNing@gmail.com, and the external link for Facebook lend us on the right page, but the number of followers are just 115 on Facebook. Now let's have a look on the return policies. So again we could not find any information related to its return refund policies. Friends, if you have any queries regarding return refund, do mention us in the comment section below. And talking about the Happy Creation store reviews, guys, so we could not find even a single review neither on official website nor on other reliable websites. Despite of being almost a year old, no Happy Creation store reviews are accessible. About Us section is not clickable. Essential information such as contact number, company's address, and the information related to cancellation, return, refund are missing. So all these points let us to believe that the site is suspicious. So in the final conclusion, I would like to inform our viewers that Happy Creation Store is a scam website since no information is provided. Therefore, we would recommend our viewers to stay away from such scam websites. However, friends, if you have ordered anything from this website, do mention your experience with us in the comment section below. You can also comment below to report about any kind of scams. After all, we are here to spread awareness about these scams. So let's do it together. Let's save innocent people from scams. And if you have any money related problems, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Friends, please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Thank you guys. Stay informed, stay safe.